Okay. Rotten onion propagation. Propagating rotten onions, okay? Now, if you look at this right here, I planted these, I don't know, maybe a couple months ago. I'm not sure when I planted them. But I had so many onions and they started to rot and they started to sprout. The ones that sprouted, I put in the ground. Now, I just cut this right here about 3 days ago. I started cutting the stalks, but I'm noticing on these onions that the rotten onions that were planted are bringing out 2 to up to 6 right here. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this right here to show you. I originally just wanted to use these for chives, but check this out. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this, okay? I'm cutting this cluster right here. It's very interesting. Okay. Grab these. Put them right here. I don't know what to think of this, but look what happened right here. One rotten onion, and there's about 13 rings to an onion. One rotten onion gave me one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 onions. Pretty interesting. I'm gonna use that. I don't know what, I think I'm gonna cut them up as chives. That's what the original plan was, to use these as chives. So it's something to know, something to put away in the back of your mind. If the food situation gets so bad that you end up getting rationed onions, even if you got a little tiny one like this right here, if it starts to sprout, you can plant it in the ground and get a lot of onions. I don't know what it means, but would have never gotten this far if I didn't have all those rotten onions that I didn't know what to do with. So it's something good to know, put in the back of your mind. There's 2 right there. Same thing with the garlic over here. Firewood for the winter. Looks like we might have a warm winter, I don't know. This garlic just propagated on its own, left it in the ground, and there's a huge cluster. So the soil can support the rebirth of the garlic from year over year. Okay, I'm going to show how to make this raised bed with the tree that I had. That was a dead tree right there. Kind of co-pieced it, maybe it'll come back, but I'm going to use the logs, cut that trunk into logs and fill the base right here so that it'll hold water. How to create a raised bed on a rocky terrain. If you put down the logs, cut them in about 6 inches, and have the whole base down here, it'll hold water when it rains. There's a lot to know. See y'all later.